this. This cost $9.50. And it's a Runo Pekkle. Let's see what's inside. Oh, before we see what's inside, I'll show you. Okay. Let's see. I have a CD. It's a burn CD, Halifax. I did do a video with my little CD collection. I have a lot of burn CDs. I don't know what's on those CDs. I'm gonna have to get myself a CD player to see what songs are on there, but I feel like it's a lot of early 2000s and whatnot. This Karobi notebook. This was $6.90. Yeah. Anything crazy in here? Oh no, it's just when I was in the sign language interpreting program, I used this for my hours, but I still have a lot of paper in here that I can definitely use. So, there's that. Oh, Simple Plan. I saw them in concert and I got it signed. I got it signed by Chuck. Chuck was outside and he signed it for me. So I loved Simple Plan. They're so amazing in concert. I highly recommend you see them if they ever come to your city or town. This is 1998. Oh my goodness. I believe they gave this for free, and this was when I was living in San Diego. Sanrio Plaza. Sanrio was all the major hit in the late 90s. And we're gonna get to that in a second. What else is in here? Oh, I don't even know where I got you from, Dory, but okay. Oh, so popular to get lead when you're in school. Anyways, these are all of my tickets. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. Let's see. I went to Cirque du Soleil when it was super popular. It was the early-esque 2000s. Let's see what I have. I have, what is this for? I have no idea. I went and saw a movie. I just don't know what movie it was. Okay, why do I have that? I don't know. Oh, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. I saw that. See how much it was? $6.75. Can't get that anymore. I have a guitar pick. I have no idea what band, though. I have no idea what band. I forgot. Dang it. Who did I see in Soma? Hawthorne Heights. I saw Hawthorne Heights. Oh, this is my Cirque du Soleil. Cirque du Soleil. Yeah, Hawthorne Heights. That's Soma. Who else did I see? I saw Bayside, but my friends and I were there for Hit the Lights and Halifax. My Chemical Romance, saw them at Soma. It was $19.99. That is so cheap to see My Chem. And I think that's insane. That was back in the day, you guys. Oh, see, there's my Simple Plan concert ticket. But this one is from God, I've seen them so many times. This one was supposed to be at SDSU, and I believe they had to cancel, and why they went to Soma. Really, Mr. and Mrs. Smith again. Wow. And I tell you, oh, I was dragged to a club one night. I'm not a clubber, but I was dragged to a club. I said, ew, why am I Yes.